Last time, we talked about the theory behind the central problem in information visualization, mapping data types to visual attributes. In this lecture, we're going to put that theory into practice. So for these exercises, I'm going to show you 3 visualizations, and in each of them, I'd like you to identify which types of data and mappings are represented. So here we have a stock chart from around 2000, the year of the dot-com bust. How many data types are represented on this graph? What are they? Are they nominal, ordinal, or quantitative? What are they mapped to? Which visual attributes, that is? And is that a good mapping? Why or why not? What is your opinion on the visualization? Take some time to study it and come up with the answers to these questions. Okay, here are the answers. It's actually quite simple. There are 2 dimensions of data represented on this chart. They're both quantitative and they're both mapped to position. You have the time, which is quantitative, or interval data, on the x-axis, and then price in dollars is mapped to the y-axis. All right, let's try another one. This is one of the earliest graphs made in 1786 by William Playfair, a Scottish engineer and the inventor of several common types of diagrams in use today. So on this diagram, how many data types are represented? What are they? Are they nominal, ordinal, or quantitative? Which visual attributes are they mapped to? And is this a good mapping? Why or why not? There are 4 dimensions of data represented in this graph. The year, which is quantitative, is mapped to position on the x-axis. Imports in pounds, also quantitative, mapped to position on the y-axis. Similarly, exports, which are quantitative, are mapped to position on the y-axis. And then finally, the balance of trade, which can be considered either nominal or ordinal, is mapped to color and area. Here we have the U.S. stock market, visualized with a version of Ben Shneiderman's tree map, where quantitative data is mapped to a set of space-filling rectangles. In this case, market capitalization is mapped to rectangle area. This was created by Martin Wattenberg in 1998. How many data types are represented? What are they? Are they nominal, ordinal, or quantitative? Which visual attributes are they mapped to? And is this a good mapping? Why or why not? In this visualization, we have 4 variables. The market capitalization, quantitative, is mapped to the rectangle area. The market sector, technology, energy, capital goods, transport, etc., is nominal data, and that's mapped to the rectangle position. Third, whether there is a gain or loss is represented by the color hue, red or green. So if there's a gain, it's green, and if there's a loss, it's red. This is nominal or perhaps ordinal data. Finally, the magnitude of the gain or loss, which is quantitative data, is represented by the color value. So you can see that the brighter the green, the greater the gain. Similarly, the brighter the red, the greater the loss. So this concludes our set of 3 exercises. I hope you found this illustration useful. Next time, we're going to talk about data combinations and dimensions.